So hey guys, welcome back to this another episode. You are watching Octacular Edits. Today in this episode, you will learn how I made this poster using Photoshop. So without any further delay, let's get into it. First make a rectangle with only outlines, then make another rectangle, fill it with black, then make a line, copy it and rotate it. Yeah, then make another rectangle, fill it with black. Yeah, like this. Then copy this and drag it to up, then resize it with small, and again copy it and rotate it, and again copy this hole and drag there here. Yeah, then write a text. You can write with write anything, whatever you need. I am writing my own idea. I am choosing this text. I think this, change the color. Yeah, this color is okay. Increase the size this much. Yeah, the day. Yeah, I'm writing this. Here also you can write, you decrease the size little bit more, change, and this font is not good. Yeah, this font. I'm fast forwarding this video, so you should not be get bored. After adding this text, make a shape like this. Make a circle shape, copy it and rotate it little bit, then again copy it and rotate it, then again copy. Do this same time. Yeah, like this. Then add this text. See, I have downloaded this online. Then add this barcode. This also I have downloaded it. Then add a photo up of this rectangle. Then create clipping mask. Yeah, like this. Then select all and convert it into smart object. Then change the threshold, drag it towards right there, like this. Select all and convert it into smart object. Then drag this photo, rotate it a little bit. Yeah, like this. Little bit more, yeah. Yeah, like this. Then delete this layer. Select both of the layers and convert them into smart object. Then go to filter, noise, add noise. Then add little bit of noise. I am adding it 23. Yeah, like this. Then add a circle. Yeah, change its color to orange. Wait, I am taking this color. Yeah, this color is okay. Then copy this circle. Ctrl J to copy and drag this. Increase the size and drag it here. Yeah, like this. Then select both of all the three layers and convert them into smart object. Group and smart object. Yeah, like this. Then add a text. I'm writing -10. Write this. Copy this again and again. Like this. Little bit, so I think. Yeah, like this. This word is not here. Yeah. Copy this again. After this, make a line. Change the color to black. Rotate this. First copy and then rotate. Shortcut of this copy is Ctrl plus J. Make the size a little bit smaller. Then select all the layers and convert them into smart object and duplicate this layer. Then add one more layer between them. Then add a circle. Add some blur. Now I'm using this filter gallery. This is a basic blur effect. Yeah, like this. Then add some shadow. Then add air reflections. Like this. Then add some shadow. Like this. And select all the layers and then convert to smart object. Then add a texture. Change the blending mode. Yeah, we are done.